Hello friends, welcome to CodeBits. In this video, we are going to learn how to use random module in Python. So these random modules are used to create random numbers for your programs. You have different options available to create random numbers. For example, you can create integer random numbers between range, you can create float random number and so on. So let's get into it and see the demo. Let's get started with the usage of random module. So for adding a random module, as we know, we have to use the import keyword. So usually this random module is used to create random values for your program. So we have different functions available for that. You can create float values, you can create int values, you can make choice out of list and so on. So we'll see some examples out of this random function. The first example is we can even create an object for this module because we cannot type random again and again. So okay, so we can use R as object. So first thing is seed, R dot seed. So we are setting a value seed as 10. So for this seed 10, the random number generated will be always same. For example, now I'm generating a random number r dot. I'm using the random function and creating a random number. The random number is 0.5714. Okay. If I create the random number with the seed 10, this value will be always 0.57. For example, I'm changing this random seed to 12 and I'm creating the random number again. The random number is 0.47. Now I'm setting the seed to 10 again. Okay, if I call the random function again, the value will be 0.57. It will be always same if you set the seed value. If you want to replicate the value again, the random value again, you can use this r dot the function called seed with a number and it will be replicated again. The result will be replicated again. And you have something called get rand bits. If you want to get a random bit, you can use this get rand bits. So you can get a random bit. If you pass a number, you get a random bit out of it. And you have a random value. You can give range in between that. You can get the random value. For example, r dot rand range. In this, the parameters are start, stop, step, and so on. So here you have choose a random item from the range. The starting point is 5. The ending point is 30. and I need a value step of 5. The value is 20. So it creates the value only which is divisible by 5, and it starts from 5 to 30. So if I run this again, it creates another one number, random number. Sorry. Range of the same statement I'm executing again. It creates a random number which is 25. It creates another one number. If I run it again, it creates another one number which is divisible by 5 from, so it is 5. So this is how this rand range works. And we have other functions also. If you want to create an integer value, and you can give some value to, range start from 2 to 90. So a value will be displayed. If I do it again, another one number will be displayed between 2 to 90. And you have something called choice. So guess we have a list called list is equal to, list will be given in square brackets. So I'm giving apple, orange, banana. So this list can be passed inside that choice so that it chose something for you. Choice of, I'm passing the list so that it chooses something for you. If I do it again, it chooses something else from it. Maybe. So it chooses something else for you. So it's all about random. You can create random variables for your program, and you have many other functions also. You can explore it in this random module. Thanks for listening.